Hi, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be looking at our 2018 Harris pontoon. It's a tri-tune of the 240 Sunliner. So it's a Sunliner model, 24-foot boat. It has 3 tunes on it, so for control, able to turn faster, more stability on the inside. We come inside here, we have the French gray interior. It's an absolutely gorgeous interior. It's a 2-tone French gray. The flooring is infinity woven flooring, which matches your upholstery. The nice thing is this floor is impossible to scratch. If you have dogs scratching at the doors, nothing's gonna scratch this or stain it. It's absolutely wonderful. So you have 2 loungers up front and a speaker in each side, lots of cup holders. You got, on this particular model, with this particular layout, there's 2 doors on either side. So one next to the helm and one on the opposite side. So easy to board or to jump off and have fun. Here at the helm, you have a Fusion radio player. It's all Bluetooth capable. You can hook your phone to it by Bluetooth. You can hook it by aux cord. There's USB cables. Comes with a depth finder and This is also an upgraded helm, so you got the kind of more leather wrapped steering wheel. Captain chair is a nice tall chair, so it supports your back fully. Now in the back, what this is called is our single lounger. So you got a lounger on the side here, and then in this particular model, you can flip the seat forward or backwards. If you have people sitting on both sides, it's legal to go down the water with it. It has a nice fence in back to hold people in, but at the same time you can sit on the back and you can enjoy a drink while sitting at the sandbar. This boat comes with a 150 horsepower Mercury engine, great for pulling skiers, tubers, all that stuff. So again, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and see us today.